So let's show you few examples of the force response. So here you have h of s equal to s plus 3 over s square plus 3s plus 2. So let's find out what is the force response of this system without solving the differential equation or using the Laplace transform. So f of t equal to 10 e to the power minus f 5 t ut. So this is an exponential function with an exponent of minus 5. That means the force response will be 10 h minus 5 e to the power minus 5 t ut. And this is the nature of the force response, and we did not derive the formula for this. We just given you in the last slide. So you have exponential a of t, then you will also, the response will be also exponential a of t with an additional, with an multiplication factor h of a, which is a gain of the system. So here you replace hs equal to s plus 3 over s squared plus 3s plus 2. So you replace s by minus 5, and that gives you minus 1 over 6. So this minus 1 over 6 should be multiplied with 10 and the exponential term, and that gives you minus 5 over 3 e to the minus 5 t ut. Similarly, if you have just 10 ut without the zero exponent, with the zero exponent, or the value of exponent is now 0, so you should get the force response part of the system as 10 h0, because the exponential term has a 0 exponent. So h0 ut, that gives you so you can write this as, instead of 10 ut, you can write is as 10 e to the power 0 t ut, and where the value of exponent is now 0. So that means you replace s by 0 h0, which gives you just 3 over 2, and this gives you 15 ut. So you in the case of linear systems, your input is a step input, output is also a step input, only the change will be in the gain. Similarly, when you have exponential input, it's a linear system, the output will be also an exponential output. So when you have so the third case, when you have a cosine sinusoidal input, output will be also a sinusoidal with the same frequency, but now the system will have a phase, and also the system will have a gain factor coming from the transfer function, where you replace the s by the omega naught with j omega naught. So you replace an s by j omega naught, which is j 100 pi here, and that gives you 0.003 with an angle of minus 157 radian. So that means this additional phase is minus 1.57 radian, and the multiplying factor is 0.003t. So that is the force response when your input is a sinusoidal, output will be also the sinusoidal with the same frequency, but you will have additional phase and a gain factor that will be multiplied with the amplitude of the system.